she is a quintessential visionary. She has extraordinary foresight and imagination. That would come to my mind immediately if I think of Arlene. And secondly, she's intelligent because she had a dream and she was able to achieve that dream, which is up to now a reality. And not only a reality, but it is now a very effective and prestigious organization that I think it was made possible because from the start, Arlene had the intelligence how to go about it. And up to the time that she could no longer physically carry on in guiding this association, she still managed to contribute to the enhancement of the association, and that is because she has the innate intelligence on how to go about it. Otherwise, her vision would not have been realized if she's not intelligent. So I would say that Arlene is an intelligent person. And thirdly, I would also describe her as humble. Her humility is exceptional. Never did she made any of us remember or think of her as the founder of this international association. So, as I mentioned earlier, she never tried to call attention to herself as the founder of the IAWJ. So, humility, that is the third word that I will describe Arlene by.